Parang pagpaano. Sige lang. Isin lang natin ito. Walang walang ads.
Sick of being in the dark all the time. I'm switching to AppsFlyer. Take your hands off your keyboard and slowly back away from your laptop. What now? Don't switch MMPs. But I have no idea what's working. I don't know where to scale, and my data is completely fragmented. But with all these privacy changes, no one even knows how to defragment data. Well, I have two words for you. AppsFlyer, SSOT. That's one word and four letters. And all we need, AppsFlyer single source of truth integrates all of your data into one clear picture you can trust. No way. And it's powered by the most accurate attribution data in the business. Amazing. And the CTA? That's still on you. I've got four words for you. Migrate to AppsFlyer ASAP. It's actually three words and four letters. That's all you need.
Sige. Nagsige. Nagsige. Di mo lang ramdam. Baka may high cholesterol ka na sa stress at unhealthy lifestyle. Kaya drink Del Monte Heart Smart with Reducol. That's clinically proven to help lower cholesterol in as early as 4 weeks. So you can help protect your heart for those closest to your heart. Drink smart for your heart with Del Monte Heart Smart.
Kita yung ulo eh. Good afternoon, mga palalabs. Mga palalabs ko, good afternoon. Mga palalabs ko. See? It's like in the night that you and your eyes try and you know and never realize. Diba? Huh. Good morning. Mayroon na tayong signal. Kaya sulitin natin. Dahil mayroon na tayong signal. Okay?